Hi, I'm Craig Mayfield with Hill Ward and Henderson in Tampa, Florida. Currently the second vice chair of DRI's Young Lawyers Committee, also very involved with DRI's Product Liability Committee. And here with me today is Laurie Miller.
Hi, I'm Laurie Miller. I'm with Ellis & Winters in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I am currently the first vice chair of the Young Lawyers Committee. I'm also active in the Commercial Litigation Committee and on the membership subcommittee for DRI, working on the Law School Initiative.
Laurie, I know we wanted to talk a little bit today about some of the best reasons for a young lawyer who has a number of different options available to them as far as where they want to spend their professional time in organizations, and talking about why DRI is truly the best organization available out there today for a young lawyer to get in, make the most of their non-billable time, if you will, and really get plugged in and make something out of the time that we're all asked to do as young lawyers.
Absolutely. You know, the first thing that comes to mind to me is the outstanding CLE presentations that DRI puts on every year. And the first thing that comes to mind for me, frankly, is the Young Lawyer Seminar. We have a seminar every year for young lawyers that is specifically about litigation skills and trial tactic skills that cut across all practice areas, and for me is relevant to my practice every year. And every year I walk away with not only better skills, but better knowledge about the kind of the new and breaking developments in the areas of law that I know I need to know for my practice.
In addition to that, Laura, I've always noticed that DRI is, at least in my mind, groundbreaking in the true leadership opportunities that are offered to a young lawyer. If you are out there and you are willing and interested in becoming a leader in an organization, DRI is one that very early on in the process will show anyone who's willing to show some ambition and who actually shows that they're willing and able to give the time necessary to truly do something important in the life of this organization.
Absolutely. It's not just a place where you fill out your membership application and you say you join. You actually belong, and you have an opportunity to advance and to get involved and to be tied into so many different things on so many different levels. I joined DRI in 2002. Now here it is 2010. I'm the first vice chair of the Young Lawyers Committee and chairing the Law School Initiative. So there are so many opportunities for people to get involved and not just sign their name on a membership application.
And the list is truly impressive of the people who have aged out of the Young Lawyers and gone on to become presidents of DRI, board of director members of DRI. I know that there are those who were in our positions as young lawyers when I first attended my first seminar that have already gone through the process of serving on the board of directors and are even currently serving in some of the highest positions within the organization.
You know, and even if you're thinking to yourself, maybe that's not for me, I don't know that I'm willing to do all that, or that I don't have that much time on my plate to commit to something like that, there are still so many assets that DRI can bring to your practice. They have top-notch publications. Their articles in their magazines monthly are available on the DRI website. They have an expert witness database that has literally thousands of CVs of experts, defense experts, plaintiff experts, medical experts, engineers, accountants, you name it, they have it. And if someone is in your case and you need to know what testimony they've given in the past, you need to know what their credentials are, this is the best place for you to go to get that information. It's been posted by your fellow practitioners. They've seen these people in action, and they can bring value to your practice immediately and for free, for no additional charge with your DRI membership. So even if you're thinking to yourself, I'm not sure I'm going to have the time to devote to some of those leadership opportunities, there are still so many ways to be active in DRI and to get benefits to your practice every day.
I don't think I could have said it better myself. I think we've covered it all. This really is an organization that offers their young lawyers an opportunity to get plugged in right off the bat. You have an outstanding seminar available to you, the publications, the expert witness database, all the things that come along with your general membership dues. There really just is no other better place, and frankly, I don't even think it's close.
Yep, and the only other thing I would add to our growing list of reasons to get involved is networking. You just cannot beat the opportunities that DRI provides with respect to networking with your colleagues, not only from your city, not only from your state, but from across the nation. And with DRI Europe, we're even going across the pond. So you just never know where your next business development opportunity is going to come from. And as a young associate, we all have to be thinking about where that next case is going to be coming from. And it's never too early to start. So DRI is definitely the place to be with respect to all that Craig has said, all that I've talked about, and so much more that we've probably not talked about here today.
That's right. So please give it some thought. And for those of you who are members or are looking to join, one of the best places to start off is this summer at our seminar in South Beach at the Eden Rock Hotel in Miami Beach, Florida, June 17th and 18th, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.